So in this interactive brokers tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to sell a stock here on Interactive Brokers. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go ahead and select a stock. So for this demonstration, I'll just go to the bottom here, press on the two arrows, and I'll go ahead and select Royal Bank. So let's say, for example, you own this stock. At the bottom here, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on the red sell icon. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and type in the amounts that you want to sell. So it's in regards to quantity. So if you wanted to sell one share, I type in one right here, press on done. It'll then show you the amount that it'll sell for. You can also type in the order price or the limit price. So you can go ahead and do a market order if you wanted to, whatever the case may be. And if all looks good, you can scroll down, keep going. If all looks good and you want to sell, go to the bottom, slide this bar to sell, and then you can proceed this way with the selling of the stock. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to sell a stock here on Interactive Brokers. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.